Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious fried chicken, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is season up our clean chicken drums. Feel free to use whatever seasoning blend that you like, but for this recipe I'm going to be using some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika, Sazon, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. Once my chicken is thoroughly seasoned, I'm going to go ahead and put in the flour. So this is just 1 cup of regular all-purpose flour. And then I'm using a roughly 1/4 cup of cornstarch, okay? And this is going to aid in the crunch of our fried chicken, okay? So we're just going to make sure that our chicken is nice and coated in that cornstarch and flour mixture, just like so. So once your chicken is properly coated, it should look like this. We're going to go ahead and move on to the stove, and my grease is nice and hot. I have my cast iron skillet here, and that is my favorite tool to cook my fried chicken in is my cast iron skillet. I love my cast iron skillet. So we're just going to go ahead and lay these in carefully, just like so. For me, I like to flip my chicken several times during the cooking process. I feel like if I just let it sit on one side for more than 15 minutes or so, it gets too brown and it's not fully cooked on the inside. So I like to flip them at least 3 times or so while they're cooking. And for these size chicken drums, it usually takes about 35 to 40 minutes to cook properly all the way through and get a nice golden crispy brown skin that I like. All right, so this is the first flip after about 10 minutes or so. So I'm just going to go ahead and let them cook on this side, and once they cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to flip them again. All right, and again, I'm just going to continue to do this until the chicken is cooked all the way through. All right, so once our chicken is done and it looks so good, we're going to go ahead and take them out of the grease and put them on a lined plate with paper towels so it can soak up a lot of that grease, okay? So this is how it's looking so far. So delicious. All right, so the last step to kick this fried chicken up a notch is to make this honey, garlic, and herb butter to go on top, okay? So I'm going to simply combine a 1/2 stick of melted butter along with a little drizzle of honey, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, like a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, some mixed herbs. You can just use an Italian seasoning blend. Mix it really well until everything is nice and combined, and then we're just going to baste that all over our fried chicken, you guys. And doesn't that look absolutely delicious? It looks amazing, you guys, and it tasted even better than it looks. And that is it, you guys, my easy and delicious fried chicken, you guys. It is so delicious. It is so flavorful. It is cooked perfectly all the way through, nice and crispy. That garlicky, herby butter that we put on at the end with a little hint of honey is absolutely amazing. If you like a little kick, feel free to add in a little bit of hot sauce or some cayenne or some red pepper flakes even. That would definitely be a great addition to this recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and even share it with a friend. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.